So here we are at Hayle Towans. I think this must have been one of the huts that got blown up. Up to about the 1930s, Hayle had a bit further along in the dunes actually, they had the gunpowder works, and they used to create the stuff for the mines to blow great big holes underground, and they used to bring them into little hollows like this and then put them into separate buildings, just small buildings for storage. And this was the ideal place in the Towans, because if they had an explosion, rather than blowing outwards and injuring a lot of people, it would just blow up and go upwards. I don't know if this one was blown up on purpose or by accident, but it looks as though it's been demolished at some point. I'm sure it was one of the sheds or something. But the gunpowder works is further over in the dunes. We did try and access it, but it's covered over with thorns and bushes and nettles. There's not much of it left really. Yeah, so it was a good place to prepare the gunpowder and then cart it off locally to mines around Camborne and Redruth. If we're looking in front of us now, there's the beginnings of St Ives, not too far away. It's a bit of a shame for people who come down on holiday if they've paid an awful lot of money, as they do for holiday rentals now, and they've had some terrible weather. But here we are. There's some caravans over there, in amongst all the sand dunes. Part of another park that's sprung up in the last 40-50 years. Well, sun shining on St Ives for a change. Not too bad. It's a good place for walking dogs anyway. And the good thing about Hayle Towans is that it's dog friendly all year round. So from Hayle Beach right up to Gwithian Beach, if you can make it to the Towans, you can run your dog around all year round. We are in the middle of July, and July and August are the 2 months when you can't take your dog on many of the beaches in Cornwall. Is this the circuit we went down? So yeah, we took a little bit of a detour there. It's not signposted, so you have to follow your nose. But instead of going down here towards the sea, we went that way, and over there we'll carry on. It will take you to St Ives eventually, but to get down to the beach you have to trek along this way, which is fine. At least somebody did lay paths at one point. I suppose a lot of these might have been here when the gunpowder works were here. I think some of them had they had little railways that they would either push by hand or pull along by ponies to move things along. You wouldn't want anything too bumpy if you're transporting gunpowder from one place to another. But anyway, that was then. Now all the mines are closed. They don't need to keep blowing up things underground. This is another building here which is possibly one that was used for storing gunpowder. We can't be sure. It's definitely one that's been destroyed, but we don't know if it was gunpowder that made it go up or whether it's been done on purpose afterwards for the whole point. I've just walked in some nettles, so that was nice. Stinging on my leg. I'll say hi to Uncle David, who used to be his old stomping grounds, so I'm sure he recognises around this area a lot. He's probably been up and down with the dogs plenty of times. I'm not sure if this is a capped mine shaft or something else, I don't know. But I don't want the dog to go in it, of course. It could be. Yeah, it looks. It certainly looks like it. Can't see very far down. Jago, go away. Don't know if we can see anything down there. Not much. A bit too dark. Anyway, just as well. I don't like hanging about around these things. It's with him around. I don't think he'd go through the bars, but he could easily try walking on it or drop his ball through. And then it's like his life's over if he loses his ball, isn't it? Jago. Oh, I can hear the sea. Yes. But I don't remember walking across the grass before. No. I think every time we come here it's going to be a different route. Yeah. If it just said to the beach here and there, we might be able to find it a bit more easily. We're just catching a glimpse over the dunes of Godrevy Lighthouse. Now you can see it from here. Just between there. There she blows. So Godrevy is to the right. This is Hayle Towans and St Ives to the left. And the clouds come over again. Come back, we need sunshine. Where are you? Damn. Oh well. I think high tide is about nowish, so there might not be much beach anyway. We'll see. There's a few sloping pathways to get down to the beach from here, but if you go further up to Gwithian, they're all rock granite cliffs, so there's no way down there unless you go down the wooden steps near the lifeguard's hut, or you can walk through the dunes and get a bit closer to Gwithian Beach and the lighthouse, then you can get down that way. It is the right way because there's the sea. This is that bit that that lady sat on. I can still remember this from before. It's gone dark. The sun's disappeared behind a cloud. Don't lose your ball. This is where that lady sat when she was having a breather. Do you want to get his ball? Pretty flowers. Yeah. Don't know where they are. And we go through here, don't we? And then down a big slope. But we can see the sea. As I lift this up, oh, there's a dog coming. Hope he's all right. 2 dogs. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Come on, hi. Leave, come on. Go, go. Oh, I don't think we'll be doing much sunbathing. Keep going. Hi, boys. Bye bye. Bye. So, here we are. This is high tide, so there's still a fair bit of beach. Keep going, Dave. Keep going. Oh, oh. Up and down. There's St. Ives again. You didn't see it. You'll have to go find it. He didn't fetch his ball. Oh dear. Just looking around. Godrevy Lighthouse. Godrevy Point. All the beaches that end are, well, mostly now they're covered up. There'll be a little bit of sand towards Godrevy Beach, but otherwise this is it really. So if you can make it to this beach, there's usually some sand to play around on. Don't see many people sunbathing. It's probably because of the downpours and that sky and the wind, so it's a bit off-putting. But anyway, you can just see over on the headland there's St. Ives Coast Guard station right on the very end, and the chapel on top of the hill on the island. It's all gone a bit dull again now. Right, let's have a trek down through the goes in the sea, so he's happy. He loves being wet. We needed our thick jackets on. The wind's quite cold. Considering it's July. Hello, you got your ball? Where's it going? The wind's taking it. The wind's taking it with it. We've got some sunshine with us, but it's gone. Crazy dog. Well, it's come this way, it's not too bad because the wind's behind me. There's nobody on the beach. I think they've all scarpered. Yes, I know. I see. He's alright, look. What's happening? I'm getting wet. I like it. Crazy dog. Come on, mad puppy. Oh, we've got to climb back up that lot again. There you go.